Hello everyone, welcome back. In the previous video we studied about distance formula and their examples. In this video we are going to discuss about section formula, area of triangle and their examples. Firstly we will discuss about section formula. If P be the any point on the line segment AB between A and B, then we say that P divides the line segment AB internally in the ratio AP is to PB. Also, if P be any point on the line segment AB but not between AB, this P is not between AB, that P may appears to the right of AB or to the left of AB. It is not between A and B. It is not between A and B. P may be to the right or left of the points AB. Then we say that P divides the line segment AB externally. It divides the line segment AB externally in the ratio AP is to PB. In the ratio AP is to PB. Okay. And if the ratio, that is note, this ratio is positive in internal division and is negative in external division. Let's recollect the formulas. Derivation already in lower class madidiri, high school level olage. So formulas anna recollect ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಂತ. So here the given points are A and B are the given points. P is called point of division. Okay, ಯಾವ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದ ಲೈನ್ ಸೆಗ್ಮೆಂಟ್ P ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದ. So these are the given points, that is the coordinates of A is x1 y1 and coordinates of B is x2 y2 and point of division coordinate is, let it be, x comma y. Okay, so here then for internal division what is the formula? So ratio entry AP is to PB, that AP is to PB is denoted by M is to N. Let us call AP is to PB adanna, let it be M is to N. This ratio is, let it be M is to N. So points A point, B point coordinates. A point coordinate x1 y1, B point coordinate is x2 y2 and point of division coordinate is, let it be, x comma y. Then what is the formula for internal division? Internal division formula find ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದಾಗ ನೀವು ಯಾವ ಟೈಪ್ ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? That is, okay, cross like this. So internal division, point of division, coordinates of point. The coordinates of the point P, the coordinates of the point P which divides the line AB internally in the ratio M is to N. So the coordinates of the point P which divides the line AB internally in the ratio M is to N. AP is to PB, that is M is to N. That is given by mx2 M into x2 plus M into x2 plus N into x1. mx2 plus nx1 divided by M plus N. This is the value of x coordinate, and next is my2 plus ny1 divided by M plus N is the formula for internal division. What is the formula for external division? Coordinates of the point A and B, they are given by x1, y1 and x2, y2. Point of division is external division here. It divides the line AB externally. Therefore, coordinate of point P is x, y. The coordinate of a point P which divides the line AB externally in the ratio m is to n, that is given by formula P is equal to x, y, which is equal to same ratio barkotiri, coordinates baritiri, x1, y1, x2, y2, cross ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. So that is mx2 minus nx1 divided by m minus n, and next my2 minus ny1 divided by m minus n. ಏನು ಬರಿಬೋದು? x coordinate value ಏನು? mx2 minus nx1 divided by m minus n. Similarly, y coordinate ಏನು ಬರಿತೀರಿ? my2 minus ny1 divided by m minus n. Suppose P is midpoint of line AB. Exact midpoint ittandra, if this point divides the line AB equally, okay, if the point P divides the line segment AB equally, okay, equal division aitantandre ratios are equal, m is equal to n. So ratios are equal, and this is a obviously internal division formula. So midpoint formula, ratios enadru equal aitandre, ratios are equal antandre m equal to n anta bariri. That is m is equal to n anta hakidre, so m iddalle n anta baridre nx2 plus nx1, m iddalle n apply ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, n plus n, that is 2n. n common ತಗೋತೀರಿ, x1 plus x2 by 2n. n will get cancelled, x1 plus x2 by 2. Similarly, m is equal to n, m is equal to n, m is equal to n, ny2 plus ny1 divided by n plus n, n common ತಗೋತೀರಿ, ny2 plus ny1 ಒಳಗೆ n common ತಗೋತೀರಿ, y1 plus y2 divided by 2n, n cancel ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Therefore, if the point P divides the line segment AB equally, then their ratios are equal. Then what is the midpoint formula? This is the point of division which divides the line segment AB equally. Therefore, P is the midpoint of the line segment AB. So obviously P is the midpoint of the line segment AB. Then what is the midpoint formula? P, midpoint formula that given by x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. Okay, internal division formula, external division formula, and midpoint formula. And keep it in mind, ratio is positive in internal division and is negative in external division. What is internal division formula? Internal division formula is mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. External division formula, mx2 minus nx1 by m minus n, my2 minus ny1 by m minus n. And midpoint formula, x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Okay, internal division formula, external division formula, midpoint formula, ivu ಮೂರು derivation ಅನ್ನು ನೀವು high-school level ಮಾಡಿರಿ. Let's remember these formulas and we will have examples. So find the coordinates of the point P which divides the lines joining the 2 points 1, minus 3 and minus 3, 9 internally in the ratio 1:3. So the given points are line joining 2 points. The line joining 2 points are 1, minus 3 and minus 3, 9. Find the coordinates of the point P which divides the line segment joining 2 points 1, 3 and minus 3, 9 internally in the ratio 1:3. Then what is the coordinate of this point? Coordinate of this point. Okay, internally anta avare alli kottbittidare, so we will use the internal division formula. So internal division formula is given by P is equal to point of division, that is x comma y. Point of division is x comma y. Formula, what is the formula? mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. So m is to n is 1:3. Ratio ಏನದರಿ 1:3. Ratio is 1:3. So the coordinates are given by x1 y1 is 1, minus 3. x2 y2 is minus 3, 9. Ivaga solution, that P point is coordinate of the point P is given by x, y. So m is, what is m and what is n? M is 1, n is 3. So m is 1 into minus 3. 1 into minus 3. 1 into minus 3 plus 3 into 1. 1 into minus 3 plus 3 into 1 divided by 1 plus 3. M plus n. Similarly, m into y2. 1 into 9 plus 3 into minus 3 divided by 1 plus 3. So this is equal to minus 3 plus 3 divided by 4. 9 minus 9 divided by 4. So this is 0 by 4 and this is also 0 by 4. So 0 by anything is 0. 0 by anything is 0. Coordinate of the point P which divides the line segment joining 2 points is 0, 0. Okay. Next example. Second example. Find the coordinates of the point P which divides the line segment joining 2 points internally in the ratio 1:3 and 2:2, internally 1, 3 and 2, 7 in the ratio 3:4. Okay, so ratio first barkotiri. That ratio is 3:4 and coordinates are 1, 3 and 2, 7 are the given points of the line segment AB. AB coordinates have every 1, 3 and 2, 7. Point of division internally and kotidare. Point P is which divides the line segment AB internally in the ratio 3:4. AP is to PB is 3:4. ಇವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ P is equal to x, y which is equal to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n and my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. So that is equal to P is equal to x, y which is equal to mx2. ಯಾವುದು mx2? So mx2 is 3 into 2 plus 4 into 1. 3 into 2 plus 4 into 1 divided by 3 plus 4. Okay. And my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus 1 is 3 into 7 plus 4 into 3. 3 into 7 plus 4 into 3 divided by 3 plus 4. Okay, which is equal to 3 2s are 6 plus 4 divided by 7 and 21 plus 12 by 7, that is 10 by 7 and 33 by 7. So coordinate of the point P is given by 10 by 7 and 33 by 7. Coordinate of the point P is given by 10 by 7 and 33 by 7. Next example, find the coordinates of the point P which divides the line joining 2 points -3, 4 and 6, -1 externally in the ratio 2:3. So line joining 2 points are x1, y1. A is x1, y1, B is 6, -1 in the ratio that is 2:3. So external division formula barkotiri, that is P is equal to x, y, which is equal to mx2 minus nx1 by m minus n, my2 minus ny1 by m minus n. So that P point is given by x, y. So ratio first barkotiri, that is 2:3. And points barkotiri coordinates, that is -3, 4, 6, -1 cross multiplication, which is equal to 2 mx2 minus nx1 by m minus n and my2 minus ny1 by m minus n. So what is mx2? 2 into 6 minus 3 into -3 by 2 minus 3. Okay, my2 minus ny1 by m minus n ಏನು ಹಾಕ್ತಿದ್ರಿ? 2 into -1 minus 3 into 4 my2 minus ny1. 2 into -1 minus 3 into 4 divided by 2 minus 3. So that is equal to 12. 2 into 6 is 12. Minus into minus is plus 9 divided by 2 minus 3 is -1. Similarly, 2 into -1 is -2. 3 into 4 is -12 by -1. So this is 21 by -1 and this is -14 by -1. So -21 and minus will get cancelled, plus 14. So coordinates of the point P which divides the line segment joining 2 points externally in the ratio 2,3 is given by -21, 14. Next example. Find the coordinates of the point P which divides the line joining 2 points -1, 8 and -2, 4 externally in the ratio 3:5. Same example, external division example. So external division, externally kotara, external division formula use ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. A point is -1, 8 and B point is -2, 4. This is x1, y1 and this is x2, y2. Ratio is 3:5. That is m is to n is 3:5. External division formula the use ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀರಿ. That external division formula is given by mx2 minus nx1 by m minus n, my2 minus ny1 by m minus n. So ratios first barkotri, that is 3:5. Next coordinates barkotri, -1, 8 and -2, 4 and we'll cross multiply this one. That is P is equal to mx2 minus nx1 by m minus n. What is this? mx2 minus nx1 by m minus n will become 3 into -2 minus 5 into -1 divided by 3 minus 5. my2 minus ny1 by m minus n will become ny2, that is 3 into 4 minus ny1, that is 5 into 8 divided by 3 minus 5. So this is equal to 3 into -2 is -6, minus 5 into -1 is +5 divided by 3 minus 5 is -2 and 3 into 4 is 12 minus 5 into 8 is 40 divided by -2. So this is -1 by -2 and this is 12 minus 40 by -2. Okay, so answer is 1 by 2 and this is 14. Okay, 28 ಆಗ್ತದ್ರಿ. 12 minus 40 is -28. -28 by -2 is +14. Okay, so external division point, that coordinate of a point P which divides the line AB externally in the ratio 3:5. Answer is 1/2, 14. Next is find the ratio in which P divides the line joining the points 8, 9 and -7, 4. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟರ್ನಲ್ ಅದನೋ ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ ಅದನೋ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. Point P, that 2, 7 divides the line segment joining the points 8, 9 and -7, 4. Okay. So this point P divides the line segment joining these 2 points in the ratio R:1. We don't know the ratio. We need to find the ratio. That ratio is, let it be, R:1. Okay. Then what is the coordinate of P? P is given by ratio barkotiri R:1 and coordinates barkotiri 8, 9 and -7, 4. So next is that coordinate of point P is given by mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. What is the formula? That is -7r. So -7r plus 8 divided by r plus 1, and similarly my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n is 4r, my2 4r plus ny1 plus 9 divided by r plus 1. So P coordinate kottara. What is the P coordinate? P coordinate is 2, 7. So P coordinate is 2, 7. So formula apply madidri. Formula apply madidmele coordinate of P is given, which is 2, 7, which is equal to this one. And relation functions ologa ನೀವು ಕಲಿತೀರಿ. That is 2 ordered pairs are equal. Ordered pair A, B is equal to ordered pair C, D if and only if A is equal to C and B is equal to D. So relations and functions ಒಳಗ algebra part ಅದ್ರೊಳಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರ 2 ordered pairs are equal if and only if A is equal to C and B is equal to D. If and only if A is equal to C and B is equal to D. X coordinate, Y coordinate, Y coordinate. So using the definition of equality of ordered pairs, so we applying the definition of equality of ordered pairs. So 2 ordered pairs are equal, 2 coordinates are equal, 2 coordinates are equal only when x coordinate is equal to x coordinate and y coordinate is equal to y coordinate. Illa ordered pairs anta use ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, coordinate geometry. So 2 coordinates are equal. That is, these 2 coordinates are equal only when x coordinate is equal to x coordinate and y coordinate value is equal to y coordinate. So here that is equating these two. Okay, that is 2 is equal to -7r plus 8 by r plus 1 and 7 is equal to 4r plus 9 divided by r plus 1. So solving this one, that is -7r plus 8 by r plus 1 is equal to 2 and 4r plus 9 by r plus 1 is equal to 7. We'll simplify this one. -7r plus 8 is equal to, denominator term will go to this side, that is 2 into r plus 1. So -7r plus 8 is equal to, what is the multiplication of these two terms? That is 2r plus 2 into r plus 1, that is 2r plus 2. Okay, so ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಜನರಲಿ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಅರ್ಜೆಂಟ್ ಒಳಗ ಏನೋ ಏನ್ ಕೆಲಸ ಇರ್ತದೋ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2r plus 1 ಅಂತ ಬಹಳ ಮಂದಿ ಬರೆಯಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಇರ್ತದ, ಆದ್ರೂ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. 2 into r plus 1 is equal to 2r plus 2. Okay, so ಈ numbers, that is left side 8 I will keep as it is. ಈ plus 2 ಅನ್ನ ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೋತೀನಿ, -2 ಆಗ್ತದ, and this is equal to 2r will keep as it is. ಈ -7 ಅನ್ನ right side ತಗೋತೀನಿ, that is plus 7r. So this is equal to 6 equal to 9r. Therefore what is r? R is equal to 6 by 9. Therefore this is 3 2s are 3 3s are 2 by 3. Similarly, if we solve this one, that is 4r plus 9 by r plus 1 is equal to 7. 4r plus 9 is equal to 7 into r plus 1. 4r plus 9 is equal to 7r plus 7. Okay. So now we'll keep this number as it is, 9 minus 7, which is equal to 7r minus 4r. So that is equal to 2, which is equal to 3r. Therefore, r is equal to 2 by 3. Therefore, the required ratio is 2 by 3 r raised to 1. Ratio to only. Therefore, 2 by 3 is to 1, which is equal to 2 is to 3. Find the ratio in which the line joining 2 points minus 4, 2 and 8, 3 is divided by y-axis. Also find the point of division. So line joining 2 points are A is minus 4, 2 and B is 8, 3, which is divided by y-axis. The line joining 2 points is divided by y-axis. That point of division is, let it be P. And we know that the coordinates of any point on y-axis is of the form 0, y. So here, let AB cut y-axis at P. Let this line cut y-axis at the point P. Therefore, P is equal to 0, y. Therefore, P divides AB in the ratio. Find the ratio. The ratio is, let it be, r is to 1. Coordinates barkotiri minus 4, 2 and 8, 3. So cross multiplication ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. That P point is given by 8r minus 4 divided by r plus 1. And similarly 3r mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n. 3r plus 2 divided by r plus 1. So coordinate of P point barkondri. That coordinate P. So P coordinate, what is the coordinate of P? Coordinate point P another is 0, y other. So that is 0, y, which is equal to 8r minus 4 divided by r plus 1, 3r plus 2 divided by r plus 1. These two coordinates are equal, therefore equating these two terms, that is x coordinate is equal to x coordinate and y coordinate is equal to y coordinate. Solve ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. Easy simplification ಆಗುವುದು ಯಾವುದು? First term. So we'll solve this first term. So denominator term will go to left side. Therefore it is 0, which is equal to 8r minus 4. Therefore 8r is equal to plus 4. Therefore r is equal to 4 by 8, which is equal to 1 by 2. ಹೌದಾ? 1 by 2. Therefore r is to 1. We got the value of r. So we got the value of r. A second simplification ಮಾಡೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, since we got the value of r. Therefore r is 1 by 2. Therefore ratio is r is to 1. That ratio is 1 by 2 is to 1. So 1 by 2 is to 1 is nothing but 1 by 2. Therefore the point P divides the line AB in the ratio 1 is to 2. Since the ratio is positive, therefore point of division is internally. That point P divides the line AB internally in the ratio 1 is to 2. Therefore the coordinates of P is given by substituting the value of r. In a ratio annongiಲ್ಲ ಈಗ. Substituting the value of r in P. What is value of r? R value is 1 by 2. So substituting the value of r in P, r is 1 by 2. So 8 into 1 by 2 minus 4 divided by 1 by 2 plus 1 and 3 into 1 by 2 plus 2 divided by 1 by 2 plus 1. That is simplification. On simplification you will get 0, 7 by 3. Okay. So this is the coordinate of the point P. Okay. Next, similar question, that is find the ratio in which the line joining the points 2, 5 and 1, 9 is divided by x-axis. Also find the point of division. So line joining 2 points. That line joining 2 points are, that is A is 2, 5 and B is 1, 9. This line is divided by x-axis. This line is divided by x-axis. That the point of division is nothing but P. It divides the line segment AB. It divides the line segment AB. Okay, it divides the line segment AB at x-axis. Okay, the line segment AB is divided by P. Okay, at the line segment AB is divided by x-axis. That point of division is P, and we know that the coordinates of any point on x-axis is of the form x, 0. Let AB cut x-axis at the point P. Therefore, P is equal to x, 0. So this point P divides the line segment AB in the ratio r:1. So find the ratio ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So coordinates ಬರ್ಕೋತೀರಿ 2, 5 and 1, 9. Therefore coordinates of P is given by, that is mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 by m plus 1, that is r plus 2 by r plus 1, and 9r plus 5 divided by r plus 1. So coordinate of P is x, 0. Coordinate of P is x, 0, r by 2 plus r plus 1, 9r plus 5 divided by r plus 1. Two coordinates are equal only when x coordinate is equal to x coordinate, y coordinate is equal to y coordinate. Therefore, x is equal to r plus 2 by r plus 1, 0 is equal to 9r plus 5 by r plus 1. So easy simplification ಯಾವ್ದಾಗ್ತದ್ರಿ? ಇದನ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ easy simplification ಆಗ್ತದೆ. That is denominator into 0 is 0, 9r plus 5. Therefore, r is equal to minus 5 by 9. Value of r minus 5 by 9. But ratio is negative. Ratio is negative. Therefore, since we got the ratio is negative, therefore P divides the line AB externally in the ratio 5:9. ಇಲ್ಲ ಮೈನಸ್ ತಗೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. Since we got the ratio negative, therefore the point P divides the line AB in the ratio, that is 5:9. That R is to 1, 5 by 9 is to 1, which is 5:9. Since it is negative, therefore external division. For finding the coordinates of P, so coordinate of P find ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. So in order to find the coordinate of P, substitute the value of R. What is the value of R? R. Value of R ತಗೋಬೇಕಂದಾಗ minus 5 by 9 ತಗೋತೀರಿ. Ratio ತಗೋಬೇಕಂದಾಗ that ratio is negative. Negative indicates the external division. Therefore, substituting the value of R. What is the value of R? Minus 5 by 9. Ratio ಅಂತ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದಾಗ, since the ratio is negative, therefore the division is external division. But the value of R is minus 5 by 9. Therefore, P ಅನ್ನ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? On putting the value of R. What is the value of R? Minus 5 by 9 plus 2 divided by minus 5 by 9 plus 1, and here 9 into minus 5 by 9 plus 5 divided by minus 5 by 9 plus 1. So which is equal to LCM ತಗೋತೀರಿ. So that is minus 5. 9 is the LCM. So 9 into 1, and here 1 is the denominator. Therefore 1 into 9. So minus 5 plus 18, and similarly LCM ತಗೋತೀರಿ 1 and 1 into 9, minus 5 plus 9, and here 9 will get cancelled, minus 5 plus 5, and 9 is the LCM, 9 into 1, and here denominator is 1, denominator is 1, therefore 1 into 9, minus 5 plus 9. Okay, so simplification ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, denominators will get cancelled, so minus 5 plus 18. Minus 5 plus 18 is 13, and 9 minus 5 is 4, and 0 by anything is 0. Therefore, coordinates of point P is 13 by 4, 0. Okay, in the next video we will discuss about the midpoint formula and area of triangle and their examples. Thank you.